After 50 games and 107 goals, the European Championship is finally done and dusted. Portugal defied the odds to win a major trophy for the first time in their history by defeating host nation and favourites France 1-0 in extra time. Portugal got off to a bad start as they lost their captain Cristiano Ronaldo, who was forced off with a knee injury early in the first half. France got off to a good start, having most of the possession and creating most of the chances in the first 90 minutes. A wonder strike by Eder in the dying minutes of the game gave Portugal the greatest moment in football history, and the celebrations were worthy of the occasion. News Street Desk.